dahil sa'yo palang panalo na. I love you.
If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long. With you I see forever oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, but it never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now, I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. If the road ahead is not so easy, our love will lead the way for us. Like a guiding star, I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share the view. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now, I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you.
Happy birthday, Mr. Yoso, and happy anniversary sa inyong dalawa ni Besh. For birthday po kami, sana marami po kayong anniversary ganun dito sa Imo. Yan, ingat kayo lagi and sa Lobos.
Ayan, alam na, Yoso, happy matmat sa inyong dalawa. Ayan, magmahalan kayo palagi, huwag mag-aaway. Ayan, sana dumating yung time na magkasama na kayo. Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo, Yoso. Love you, love, love.
Ayan, hello. Hello, good afternoon sa'yo. Ayan. Ay, nako talaga, Yoso. Tumatanda ka na. Ayan, alam kong 46 ka na dyan. Ayan, ito lang masasabi ko sa'yo, ha? Happy birthday sa'yo. Ayan, sana naman pumayat ka na ha. At sana panatilihin na stay strong lagi. Ayan, huwag ma-stress. Yung problema ibaling sa iba ha. Ayan, panatilihin na nagpipray kay God. Ayan, thank you so much sa iyo, and then good luck sa iyo, and then yung handa naman, bigyan mo naman kami dyan kahit isang lechon. Oo, para makakain naman ng mga bisita, hindi lang ikaw. Charot. Ayan, syempre, ayan, masaya-masaya kami na nagsiselebrate ka ng birthday. Ayan, happy birthday again sa iyo. At syempre, magmahalan kayo lagi nilang ha. Huwag aawayin. Ayan, thank you so much, and God bless sa iyo always. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, hello, good morning, good afternoon sa mga bisita po na nandito sa loob ng BR ngayon. Shout out po sa inyo na pangmalakasan dyan. Ayan, good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyo. Ayan, gusto ko lang bumati sa ating nagsiselebrant ng 1 month mansari. Ayan, Babe Langga and then Yuso. Happy 1 month mansari sa inyo. Sana tumagal kayo at abutin pa yan ng anniversary. Ayan, wag mag-away ha, yung magmahalan, oo. Ayan, yan lang ang aking mapapayo ba. Ayan, mag-away pero magbati ka agad-agad. Ayan, happy talaga ako sa inyong dalawa. Ayan, good luck sa inyong dalawa, and then God pray lang kay God and always. Ayan, thank you so much, and I love you.
Kumusta ka na dyan? Ingat ka palagi dyan ha. Iwasan yung laging pikon. Basa-basa ng pagka maasarin ba ha? Ingat ka palagi dyan ha. Mahal kita lang. Happy man sa atin ha. Sana abot pa tayo ng mga how many mandarin no. Pasensya ka na kung wala akong time. Minsan salamat na dumating ka sa buhay ko. Huwag mong isipin na nagbaliwala ko sa'yo. Medyo lang busy lang talaga ako na. Kaya minsan lang ako sa'yo maka video call. Pero lagi mong tandaan, kahit busy man ako, ikaw ang nasa isip ko, sa puso ko na. Salamat na dumating ka sa buhay ko. Happy man sa ating dalawa. Love you, ingat ka palagi dyan ha.
Love, good morning sa'yo. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come and more candles to blow. Sana bigyan ka ni God ng malusog na pangangatawan at ilayo sa anumang kapahamakan sa araw-araw na pagpasok mo sa work mo. Lagi mong tandaan, nandito lang ako para sa iyo. I love you, love. Happy mansari para sa atin, love. Sana habaan mo pa yung pasensya mo sa akin kasi palagi akong tinutopak, at sana bigyan mo na din ako ng time kahit konti lang, love. Yan lang hinihingi ko sa iyo. Hindi ko naman hinihingi lahat ng oras mo kasi alam ko naman na busy ka sa work at pag-uwi mo marami ka pang trabaho. Basta lagi mong tandaan, nandito lang ako para sa iyo. Mahal na mahal kita, at kahit anong mangyari, sana walang bibitaw sa ating dalawa. Stay strong lang. Mag-aaway lang tayo, walang hiwalayan. Love you, love. Salamat na kilala kita. Ingat ka palagi. Lagi mong tandaan, nandito lang ako para sa iyo. Kung ano mga pagsubok na dumating, nandito ako. Karamay mo palagi. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love.